Hi guys, and you're watching Plating It with Wendy, where today I'm going to share with you a very different kind of recipe before we get down to unboxing this special gift that we received from YouTube. As you know, we reached 100,000 subscribers on YouTube a couple months ago, and the ingredients that went into that was hard work, dedication, resilience, your encouragement and support. And you know how we add that little pinch of salt to bring out the flavors in a dish? It's your subscribing to my channel that helped me reach the 100,000 subscribers. And now the most important ingredient that I want to mention here is the love, the support and encouragement from my family that has helped me achieve this milestone. And a core ingredient is all you lovely people who watch my videos, have subscribed to my channel, like and comment on my recipes. I ensure that my two mantras are at the core of every recipe that I share. One being that you impress with ease, and the other is that it turns out right every time you try it. And oh boy, do I love reading all your comments, and I try my best to respond to them. And I know that some of you are constantly engaged from all around the world. And although I've not met you, I feel that I know you personally. A big thank you for being part of this journey and joining my YouTube family. Now come on, let's unbox this, because this is not just mine, it's yours also. Now here we go. Let's take off all the tape that they put on it. I was waiting to unbox it with you, so I didn't open it at all. Okay, are you ready? Here we go. And here we have a little card that congratulates us for reaching the milestone, and a letter from the CEO of YouTube. Now for the big reveal. Oh my goodness, look at that. A silver plaque with the YouTube logo and Plating It with Wendy engraved on it. I feel like I've got my own star on the Walk of Fame. A big thank you to all of you who have subscribed to my channel. And with that being said, I know that there are a lot of you out there who enjoy my videos but have not yet subscribed. So go ahead, press that subscribe button and help me achieve my next milestone. And there's more. Follow me on TikTok, Pinterest, Instagram, Facebook. All the links are in the description box below. Thanks for watching. See you soon.